So hey guys, welcome to a new video. And as we know, Windows 10 hangs a lot. Today I got two tricks to avoid Windows 10 hanging. So let's quickly start the video. So first what we have to do is you have to press Windows R key as you can see on the screen. So after pressing it, you will get the run, and here in the run you'll just type TEMP and you'll press enter. So the moment you press enter, here you will see all the temporary files which are in our PC or laptop will come here. So we just have to do is we have to press Ctrl A as you can see on the screen. So I'll press Ctrl A and then you will press delete, and here you can see the option of yes. So you'll click on yes, and those files which can't be deleted you can skip them. Now as you can see my files are deleting as you can see here. So let it delete for 2 to 3 minutes. After it deletes, we'll go to our next trick. So as it is deleting, as I told you, the files those who are not deleting you can skip them. So from here you can click on skip and that file will be skipped. So now the moment these files get deleted, let's move to our next step. So our files are deleted, two files were left, so you can leave them. Now again you'll press Windows R key and here your run will open. Now you'll type %temp and %. You can see here as I have typed. Remember the spelling, don't type the wrong spelling. So here you can see %temp %. So you will press enter and here again your temporary files will open. You'll again press Ctrl A and delete. So I'll press delete and here you'll click on yes. So the moment we click on yes, our files starts deleting. As you can see our files are deleting. So let it first delete and then we'll move to our next step. So here also some files are deleted and some were left. So you'll click cancel, again press Windows R, your run will open, type PREFETCH. Now click OK and again a set of temporary files will open. So here you can see so much of temporary files are in our laptop. So you'll do Ctrl A and delete. So here C366 matters a lot. So you'll click on yes and our files again starts deleting. So you let them complete. So again our one file is left, you will leave that. And the last thing, don't forget to empty your recycle bin because these were temporary files and we don't need them. So you'll right click on recycle bin and click on empty recycle bin and here you'll click on yes. So I've clicked on yes and again our deleting process starts. So you'll do skip and let our deleting process finish. So it's almost finished. Let's wait for it to finish fully. Here we'll press skip those files are not deleting. Or you can press continue also. So here we can see most of the files are not deleting. So no need to worry. They can be in your recycle bin. So here you can do and skip. And here our 100% are over. Now we have to do is we'll right click on our taskbar, and here we can see the option. Here we can see the option task manager. We'll click on that and our task manager will open shortly. So here we can see our task manager is opening. So let's wait for task manager to open. So here it opens. Now you'll scroll down and find where is Windows Explorer. So the moment you find Windows Explorer, you'll click on restart. So let us first find where is Windows Explorer. So let's see. So here is our Windows Explorer. As we can see here, Windows Explorer. So we'll just do is, here is the restart option. We'll click on it and you can see all the apps in a taskbar has gone. So for 5 to 10 seconds they will not come back, but afterwards, like my Cortana and search bar and start button came. Now slowly all the apps will come. So let's wait for all the apps to come. So by restarting, it seems that our laptop is refreshed. So as we can see, all the apps have returned here. So these were the only two tricks to show you how you can avoid Windows hang solution. So hope you like this video. If yes, please hit the like button, press the subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you. Goodbye.